It's 4:15 Wednesday, the first Wednesday after Hurricane Sandy, and things here look the same. Grayish day. It's 52 degrees the air and 57 the surf. And this is what it looks like. Beautiful. You can walk to the island. Tide is going out. Sun was out a few times today. It may happen again. It's so nice to see though. It's still here. And it was hurricane didn't do any damage here, nothing much to this area. I don't think I'm going to have any more summer-like days for the rest of the year though. I walked past this big bird over here, and I walked within 2 feet of him. He didn't budge. I think he was just thinking, you know, knock this off my shoulder. I don't know where he went. I should have filmed him. Sure, he wouldn't have minded. Okay. That's it for right now.